Man, I'm gonna do a Ratchet beat, man. I'm gonna call it, it's gonna be a classic Ratchet beat. You know, some beats are just Ratchet, plain Ratchet, but I love Ratchet music, by the way. Because we all got some ratchetness in us. If you ain't got it, your uncle got it. Somebody got it. But I'm in the mood of doing something, you know, something that a lot of you guys might appreciate. That's if you do. I know I will. Pretty much, this is a tutorial. Find two notes. Simple as that, man. Let's go. Let's make the beat. You gotta look at the snares, man. You gotta look at your snares when you add it, man. Kick.